Hey guys, Ivan here with IHC Suspension. Today we're bringing you another product overview, and today we got an 87 C-10 that we're going to be equipping with an IHC front coilover kit, which is I got here in front of me. Now for some of you guys that are new to the page, IHC uses custom control arms to lower all these vehicles. Now, as you can notice, this vehicle is already lowered, but this customer wanted to improve his handling, and he also had to replace all his ball joints and bushings. Now with this coilover kit, you can achieve all that. So let's get started here. What I got is my lower control arm. So like I mentioned, it does come with new ball joints, which already come pressed in from the box. You guys don't have to mess with any of that. It comes with new bushings along with the Zerk fitting so you guys can do your maintenance. Now, the way we're actually achieving this drop is going to be with the QA1 coilover, which is a single adjustable shock. So you guys can set your shocks in at your desired preference. Now, we got an upper control arm to make sure we get our alignment. And one of the unique features of this kit is going to be our bracketry, the way we mount that upper control arm. We're removing existing brackets from the frame. There is some welding required. Once everything's bolted up, get you the correct stance, and most importantly, get you the correct alignment. So we're going to show you all these parts installed so you guys can see how it looks already on the vehicle, and then we'll continue putting it on the alignment rack and show you guys the alignment. So we have the front C-10 coilover kit already installed. And remember, as I showed you on the table, it uses custom upper and lower control arms, and we're complementing it with the QA1 single adjustable shock. Now, one of the most frequently asked questions we get is, how are you guys mounting that upper control arm to the truck? If you guys remember, this truck originally has a spring, so we have the spring pocket, which we're completely removing, and our IHC bracket, it's gonna go ahead and get welded in place, and our upper control arm attaches to the IHC bracket. Now, this truck, guys, pretty much ready to go. All we gotta do is slap on the wheels, get it on over to the alignment rack, so stay tuned for that. All right, guys, here you have it, IHC front coilover kit. One of the coolest features about this coilover kit, guys, is that it allows you to adjust the front end from 4 down to 6 inches. Now, customer right here, we finished it, we took it for a test drive, we brought it back, and we saw that it wasn't really leveled out. So with the coilover, we just crank it up, get it nice and leveled, and now the customer's happy, truck looks great. One also the coolest features is the ground clearance we have with these IHC control arms to the ground. A lot of aftermarket control arms, right, with the drop coils, ends up putting that lower pocket too low, which can interfere with stuff on the road. In this case, you got plenty of ground clearance. But there you go, guys. If you have any questions on this product, our sales reps, our truck enthusiasts just like yourselves, shoot over those DMs and we'll be more than glad to help you guys out. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next.